Good evening, everybody. Hi, hi, hi. Good evening. Welcome in. Look at what we're gonna be cooking. I'm having a special rice that I'm gonna be cooking for my mom and everybody today. So I have special rice here. This is a special rice. It's a native rice. Look at it. Brown rice. Native brown rice. So, and this rice, you have to be very, very careful with this rice because there must be stones inside. Because it's a native rice all the way from Africa. So I'm going to be making this rice, and I have tomatoes, just little tomatoes, bell peppers, paprikas, that's what I have here, and onions. So I have onions here, paprika, and I have my protein, beef, fish, what's it called? I forgot the name. It's from cow belly. I forgot the name. The stripes. Yeah, I just remember stripes. And I have snails, crayfish, red oil, and olive oil. And then and then the spice. So anything you're not seeing here definitely is gonna come in. Beef. So I'm gonna be pressure cooking my beef for a fast cooking. For the cooking, because I actually don't need so much water. We don't need in this sauce. We don't need so much water in the sauce. Rosemary, very spicy. This food is gonna be so hot. So that is hot chili from Nigeria, very hot. Curry, some Italian herbs, and some onions. Hi, my sweet darling. How are you doing and how is work going today? Guess you're at work or you're back? My beautiful nurse. Yes?
This is not finished.
I'm just getting started.
You want to do more?
It's not finished. Oh, I gave Liam snacks and she wanted the snacks that I gave to Liam.
You say
My
a
good
meal.
What? No.
Mommy, you say meal.
So we have mac and cube.
Mommy, you want to use money. But you're not doing this money.
Okay, we're gonna cook that over there. Now give me space, please. It's not time to cook, so I cook it before.
But I cannot carry you.
So I cook it down already. So I'm gonna be adding it to it. I'm going to even show you guys some bongo fish. That is bongo fish. So let's get started. Bye. Oh, did you say hello? Say hi, everybody. Say hi, everybody. Ah. Okay. Thank you. How was the shower? I'm already crying, guys. Oh my god, this onions. Oh, this onions is beating me again. You can't even say sorry. Okay, so. Hey, onions is beating your onions, baby. Cry away. I'm a poor baby. No, I'm a big baby. I don't want to be a big girl anymore. I don't want to be a big girl anymore. I'm a big baby.
Yes. You're a big baby.
You're a big baby.
Give me my onions.
Okay, onions in pepper, radio. Get all the head from the fish, and she used to make suya and pepper soup. She used it to make pepper soup for herself. You have eaten so much. You have eaten so much. Your belly is not full. Your belly will soon be full when you don't stop. You said our belly is not your full.
Mommy,
Yes.
my belly is still not full.
I know your belly is still not full, but your belly will soon be full when you don't stop. When you don't stop, your belly will soon be full and it will be poking out.
Cooking. When the cooking you eat, your belly will full.
Yes. Okay. Someone's telling me to take it easy before I go and slice my hand off. The knife is too sharp. Hi. Hello. Hi. 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 Hi, Liam. Alex, good evening from here. How you doing? Yeah? Banana is what? Banana is on the floor?
Yeah?
Tell Emily to clean it up. Where is Ashley? Get Ashley. Also, watching telly. Tell him to go out of my room. How will Ashley hear you from down here that you should go out of my room? I don't even know why I put telly in that room. I don't even have time to watch it. Yet it's in my room. They are just the one watching it in my room. Because I don't have time watching telly. Huh? The best one, see Richard. Emi ala from the henna yen me say reason now. As you film from me. On is clean on ni carry cream bo obodo na wo. Am bodo fiamero. Here comes the bride, here comes the bride, here comes the bride, here comes the bride, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. Mommy, I don't want to cry. Done. Let's put that aside.
Yeah. You want some? Okay. That's all I'm having to do.
Try him now. Okay. First of all, I'm going to fry this fish, but I'm already so scared. I already told my mom that I'm so scared because you guys know that I'm scared with hot oil. I don't like any hot oil coming to my body. That is one thing that I don't like about frying stuff. That's why I don't do frying. And plus, I'm always using olive oil.
Can I go back?
Go back. Adley!
Can I should go?
I come and pick
don't
Liam
put
here because I want to fry and I don't want Liam here.
You want to put that shoe back?
Mommy, this rice.
When I go back. There.
Get him out. Get him out. Oh yeah. Thank you. Son of a
Ça t'a arrêté.
Tout poignard. Let me walk in with them now.
Ọmọ náà mi ọ̀rọ̀ dàgbò mi gbogbo ṣe 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 àbẹ̀yẹ ọ̀rẹ́ gbèsè náà lè ẹ̀kọ́ àrùn òdìbò.
My mom, and one of my younger sisters is also like this. And she called me by the name, the second F1. You know when you have a mark on your body, it is very, very difficult to go out, especially when you don't use cream. So I'm not using cream. Imagine if I have a bunch on my face. To clear it is a problem because I'm not using cream. So why should I be endangering my life with something fine? That's why I don't try.